Alright, so you wanted a video. Oh.
So let's get in closer here. Hold on a second. There's my pretty compressor. Looks pretty nice. I hear the click right around here. Like around here. That little pop. Let's go over this side. I don't hear it around here. Whatever that means. Alright.